Unraveling An Ageless Chronicle, a journey through timeless stories. Hello and welcome to our journey through the fascinating world of English expressions. Today, we're diving into the meaning and use of the phrase, an ageless chronicle. This intriguing expression holds a treasure trove of significance, and by the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also how to appreciate its beauty and depth. So, let's embark on this linguistic adventure together. At first glance, an ageless chronicle might seem like a complex phrase, but it's quite poetic when broken down. The term ageless refers to something that transcends time, something that remains unchanged and relevant no matter how many years pass. Chronicle, on the other hand, is a record or a narrative of historical events. When combined, an ageless chronicle speaks of a story, record, or narrative that remains timeless, holding significance and value across generations. It's a beautiful way to describe tales, wisdom, or knowledge that resonate with people of all ages, defying the very concept of time. The beauty of an ageless chronicle lies not just in its literal meaning but in its application. In literature, this phrase can describe works that have stood the test of time. Think of classics like Shakespeare's plays or Homer's epics. These are stories that, despite being centuries old, continue to captivate, inspire, and teach us. In everyday language, you might use an ageless chronicle metaphorically to describe personal or historical narratives that remain impactful. For instance, the life story of a great leader or a pivotal historical event that continues to influence society today can be considered ageless chronicles. Understanding an ageless chronicle is one thing, but incorporating it into your communication can elevate your language skills. Here are a few tips. Literary discussions. When talking about classic literature or stories that have remained relevant through ages, describe them as an ageless chronicle. Personal narratives. If sharing a timeless lesson or story from your life or someone else's, you can refer to it as an ageless chronicle to emphasize its enduring value. Appreciating history. When reflecting on historical events that continue to shape the world, an ageless chronicle perfectly captures their timeless impact. And that brings us to the end of our exploration of an ageless chronicle. This phrase, rich in meaning and beauty, offers a unique way to discuss stories, events, and wisdom that transcend time. Whether in literature, personal storytelling, or understanding history, remembering and utilizing this expression can add depth to your conversations and insights. We hope you found this journey enlightening and that it enriches your appreciation for the timeless tales that surround us. Until next time, keep exploring the beauty of language.